The newly built Ibudhau Youth Pokpa Sanglen was inaugurated yesterday by social worker KH Menjor Mangang and handed over to the public. Speaking at the occasion, KH Menjor Mangang said that preserving the age-old indigenous sacred shrines in the state will help in showcasing our identity to the world. A bomb exploded at Tera Lukram Leirak Makhalekai Shanghai Pro FCI Road at around 10:40 last night. The explosion damaged some part of the gate and the wall, but no one was hurt. 16 Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter 9 Sector Assam Rifles organized a 16-day national integration tour. The 16-day national tour will cover Agra, Mathura and Jaipur and will return to Manipur on February 21. Altogether, there were 28 members. Manipuri Dance Department of Rabindra Sangeet Dance and Drama Sangeet Bhavan Vishwa Bharati organized centenary of introduction of Manipuri dance in Santiniketan yesterday. The opening function was attended by Manipuri dance gurus Debjani Chaliha, Subhra Tagore, Diyali Lehri and Madhuri Sinha. As a part of the function, Maitai Lai Harauba dance and Basanta Ras were showcased. Two powerful improvised explosive devices have been recovered in Guwahati city, Assam last evening. According to reports, one of the IED was recovered in front of Barali Brothers in Pan Bazar, while the other was recovered near Paltan Bazar police station.